Okay, all of you, you can start your AutoCAD and then open your exercise number one, because today we will create a center line and then dimensions. Okay, this one. This is your exercise number one, and then you can open in your AutoCAD. Before you do the exercise, you can see the screen that I already shared to you. In here, I will show you how to create center line. Okay, at first you can make a line by using line. Make sure you do in center of the circle. You can activate the OSNAP setting in here. Make sure the center line is active. So when you move to the circle, you will find a center line. Then you can move to the outside of your figure, then create line like this. Also for the vertical line, like this. And this one, you can start from here to here. From center line here to here. And then the center line of the bottom circle here, for example, because this is a same center line with the largest one, so you can make from outside, from here to here. And also from here to here. Okay, after this you can change this line become a center line. Okay, to change this line into center line, you can at first can click this. For example, this line you can click by right click and then properties. So you can see the new window is appear on here, and find the line type. Line type you can click. If there is no center line in here, you can add a center line from this one. Okay, you can find from here. Uh, you can click Enter, and then we have to load and find a center line. You can use a center tool here. Okay. Okay, you can see the center tool is appear on here. And then you can close this one. After this, you can click all line that will become center line. Line type, click a center tool. Also the line weight, you can make it thin like. For example, 0.15. Okay. Okay, this is center line. Also, if you see the exercise, we will create a circle here. Circle, the circle, I think this one with the diameter 60 millimeter. Okay, just create a circle from center to here. Okay, this one. Then you can change this line into center. Line type, center. Also line width, you can change become 0.15. Okay, after this, you can do the dimension. Okay, can close the properties. This. Okay, then we continue to create a dimension. You can find the icon of dimension here. For example, linear, line, angular, radius, diameter. Okay, for example, we use linear. We will do for this one, 40 and 80. From here to here, 40. And then enter to repeat comment. From here to here. This is 85. Okay, if you find the dimension is not correct, so it means your lines maybe is not correct as well. So you can try to check the center line. In here, I will check the center line. At first, we can erase or delete this dimension first. We can check the line must be on the center. Okay, I think this one is maybe not correct. We can make the snap of midpoint become off. We make it off. Then we use line from center line from here to here. Actually, before we do the line, you can change the line type become a center. For example, this one. So when you create line, so automatically become a center line. Okay. But remember to change this line become by layer or continuous. Then continue to linear from here to here. Oh, this is not correct. Or maybe we can change the, or we check this one. This line, so we can check this line. Maybe this is correct. We try again with the linear dimension from endpoint to endpoint. Or you can change the this is not correct. I try to modify this one. Okay, by using offset 55. Okay, we make linear dimension. Okay. And then another linear, this one, from this center line to this one, the horizontal line. Okay, linear dimension from this to this one. 80 is correct. Okay, for the linear is enough, I think. If the number is too small, you can increase the font here. For example, you can right click properties, then click all. This one out as well. Then you can find text. For example, text height. Text height, this is 2.5. If you want to make it double, you can put 5 for the text height. And text offset, offset mean offset from dimension line, and here 0.6, so you can make it 1.5, for example. Also the arrow, you see this size as 2.5. If the arrow is too small, you can make it bigger, for example 5 arrow size. If you finish, then escape like this. Okay, then you continue to create a radius. This one is radius, dimension, and then radius. For example, this one, radius, and then this one. Just enter. And then this one. Radius. Okay, then diameter. Okay, you can select a diameter. For example, this one, so diameter. Actually, you can put the number outside of your figure. Okay, like this. Then this one, and this one. Okay. Okay. With the same way, you can change the text size. You can click all. Okay. Also, you can change the arrow size, become 5. Then on the text is 5. Text offset 1.5. Escape. Okay, like this. If you want to change the position, just click, then you can move the position. Okay, you can check all this dimension. I think all of the dimension already created. Okay, any question?